Hey, Lifers, this is Tom. It's Liquid Hope on Friday, a Lifer Live at 1:05 Eastern Time. Hopefully you're doing well. We are coming at you, the beautiful sunny day, second day of spring. Hope you're doing well. And we're just going to be doing some of these as we move along. I mean, times are tough, and people are going crazy, and we need a little bit of love, a little bit of hope. Liquid Hope, baby. So I hope you're doing well on Friday. It is almost the weekend. We can all take a little sigh of relief, spend some time with family and friends, and just kind of get refocused, right? So a couple things. One, I had a video that I posted up yesterday, just day 3 roundup, and talking about a few things. I've got a podcast coming on resiliency, so you're going to want to catch that. Also, I've got a video on just a brook, just a babbling brook, and I'll help you meditate, help you calm down. The sound is pristine, it's flawless, beautiful. And I'm just going to make an hour out of that. It was only 20 seconds. I'm just going to keep it going. And at times like these, we need to find a way to relax, find a way to get the stress out. And water. Honest to God, running water does it for a lot of people. So, check that out when I post it up. I will have it linked up here. We can do this. We are all in this together. And, we are here for each other. Small Scale Life. I am going to be posting up some podcasts, some stuff for you to listen to. SmallScaleGardening.com. I've got the seed starting guide. I've decided to cut it down to just a quick 1 or 2 pager, and then have a longer document afterward with all the philosophy and all the other junk. But right now, people need a resource to get going. I just want to get things in people's hands before things close up or lock down, because I'm afraid we're going to follow Italy's course. So you need to get materials going. You need to get seeds going. It'll be good for you. Gardening is another way to de-stress, to take the stress out of your life. Moving water is one. Getting outside, feeling the sun on your face is another. Gardening is another great way. Taking a walk, just keep your social distancing and all that stuff. But these are great ways to de-stress. Get that stress going. We are going to beat this thing. Honest to God, we're going to beat this thing. And it's our chance to restart things once we do. So just take a deep breath, work together. Again, we're going to try to have resources for you at smallscalelife.com and smallscalegardening.com, our gardening channel. But planning to do things. I mean, they might not be polished, they might be off the cuff, they might be quick like this, but we can do this together. It is a Finally Friday, right? This is all about community. We're building community. Bring people to Small Scale Life. I'm not getting paid for this stuff. I just want to give you a little ray of hope. I know it's really tough right now, and sometimes our elected and our leaders are not leaders. So we're going to have to step up, all of us. We can do this, brothers and sisters. We can do this, okay? Deep breath, people. I know this is tough. This is some scary shit. It's never happened like this before, but we can do this together. So you can see behind me, all the people are going in and out. They're doing their taxes. Oh, yeah, it was extended today, so you have until July 15th to get your taxes done. But get them done sooner than later, and then you'll just be done with it. And keep social isolating, keep yourself distanced. Join us in the Small Scale Life group. The Small Scale Life group. Join us on the blog. Join us in the podcast. We're going to try to do this. Liquid Hope, man. Liquid Hope, I like it. But we're here for you. I mean, we've got some friends that are doing some great content out there. So if you're not listening to Small Scale Life, cool. Go listen to Nicole Sauce for Living Free in Tennessee. She's putting out some great content. Go listen to Amy Dingman from A Farmer's Kind of Life. She's putting out some great content. Go listen to old podcasts from Greg Burns, The Contrary Farmstead, or The Contrary Beekeepers. Great content there. Go listen to Terrence Lehue from The Intellectual Agrarian. This is essentially your news from around the bend. We're just going to do it live. We'll do it live! And, we'll be there for each other, because this is what we do. Bada boom, bada bing. We all are together in this, and we're just going to have to get through it. But there's other great content providers out there. There's great Instagram feeds out there. JKS Homestead. A whole bunch. And too many to name. Oh, crap, I just touched my face. But anyway, make sure to laugh. Make sure to be there for each other. we're just going to do the best we can. So we're all in this together, brothers and sisters of the West. We can do this all over the world, really. We got listeners from the Small Scale Life that are all over the world, which is kind of cool. But that's all I had to say. It's a beautiful day. Get a little bit of sun on your face. Get that vitamin D. Soak that in. I mean, I think it's only like 20 degrees here, but what the heck, right? I mean, the big plop of snow is going down, babies. And that's a good thing. So, all right, that's it. That's all I had for you. Remember to learn, do, grow, be a little better every day. Stay safe. Be vigilant. Stay healthy. Tune us in. Subscribe. We're going to be doing this more often. In case you're wondering, Whole30, day 4, things are going great. Hard-boiled eggs this morning. I have to have some salad when I get back for lunch. I'll have to figure out dinner because the thing I'm making is not Whole30 approved. It's creamy chicken noodles, which is very delicious. If you all want me to put up some recipes on Small Scale Life, let me know because we're all in this together, okay? Again, my platforms, I just want to be a resource for information. I want to help you get through this because, what else is there? All right? Talk to you all later. Take care. See you soon. This is Tom out. Hit subscribe. Hit the like. Share this. I mean, when I put up that babbling brook, it'll make you happy. I really hope it does. All right, everybody. Talk to you soon. Bye.